On a beautiful sunny winter morning, sitting in the lap of Mother Nature and enjoying your cup of tea is one of the best things one can do. And then to spend some time with yourself. But then, Acharyaji, you always say it's not recommended to take tea. Yes, but I'm going to share a substitute of tea with you, and that's called star anise tea, which you can make at home. And it's very easy to make. It rarely takes few minutes of preparation and only 2 ingredients. And even if you don't have 2 ingredients, like both ingredients, you can make it only with one as well. And there are amazing benefits of this tea. It helps you in reducing those extra kgs, in reducing your weight. It helps in boosting your immunity, and other than this also there are several other health benefits. You can have it twice a day, especially one time during daytime and then before going to bed, so that it boosts your metabolism. It is helpful in losing weight. And if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can go to Bharat Yoga YouTube channel, share it with your loved ones and prepare it every day. You will see amazing health benefits through this star anise tea. So quickly, let's have a look how to prepare it. Take 1 cup water, let it boil, and add 1 star. This. It is how it looks like. And 1 star is for 1 cup of tea. So 1 cup water means 1 star we need to put. If you're making 2 cups of tea, you have 2 cup water, then you add 2 stars in it. And a very small cinnamon stick. Since I'm not having a cinnamon stick right now, I'm having cinnamon powder, so I will be using cinnamon powder. Pinch of cinnamon powder and let it boil. Now, generally a question is being asked, Acharya ji, can we reuse this star? No. It's better that you use 1 star only once. You shall not reuse it. Now let it boil properly so that it remains kind of 1/4, not exactly half. Till then we should boil it as shown in the video. Let it boil properly. Just 2 ingredients we need: star anise and cinnamon. Now there are many people who find that cinnamon is something that doesn't suit them, or they are not comfortable with cinnamon. In that case, you can even skip cinnamon. That's it, your tea is ready. Just pour it in a cup and just look at the color. So this is going to be your color when it is prepared. And it smells, the fragrance is so nice, and even the taste is so good. And it is a wonderful drink to boost your immunity and for several other health benefits which I shared with you in the beginning of this video.